Tired of shampoos that promise the world but deliver nothing? Today, we're diving deep into a comprehensive review of the Plum Hair Shampoo to see if it lives up to the hype, covering everything from its ingredients to its overall value. First up, let's talk ingredients. Plum prides itself on being cruelty-free and vegan, and this shampoo boasts argan oil for moisture, plant-based keratin for strength, and is thankfully sulfate-free, which is a major plus for colored or sensitive hair. We'll explore how beneficial these ingredients actually are. Now, for the real test effectiveness. I've been using this shampoo for 2 weeks and have paid close attention to how my hair feels. Notice how it lathers nicely. Not too bubbly, but enough to feel like it's really cleansing. And here's the before and after. As you can see, my hair is noticeably smoother and shinier. I've also noticed less frizz and breakage. It does a decent job of cleaning without stripping my hair of its natural oils. Let's talk about scent. It has a subtle, fruity fragrance that's not overpowering. It leaves your hair smelling fresh and clean without being too perfumey. Finally, let's consider the value compared to other sulfate-free, vegan shampoos with similar ingredients. Plum falls in the mid-range price point. You're definitely getting a decent product for the price. So, is Plum Hair Shampoo right for you? If you're looking for a sulfate-free, vegan shampoo that adds shine, reduces frizz, and doesn't break the bank, then I'd say it's definitely worth a try. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more hair care reviews. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this shampoo and what your experience was. See you in the next one.